Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your RAM type to find out if it's DDR3, DDR4, or even DDR5. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So to do this, the easiest way is to use an application. So what you want to do is open up a web browser, go to a search engine and type in CPU-Z. You want to go to the website, which is CPU ID. And then once you're on the CPU-Z page, you want to scroll down and you want to click on the setup file. There may be a few ads, but make sure you click the download button for the CPU-Z. Now, what you want to do is open up your file explorer, go to the download section and install CPU-Z. The installation won't take long. After agreeing to the terms, press next and install it. Once installed, double click on the application, agree to the administrator pop-up and launch it. So you'll then see there's a lot of information about your computer. So to check your RAM, you want to click on the memory tab at the top and then you will see the RAM type. So in our case, ours is DDR4. Yours may be different. You can also see other information such as the number of channels, the amount of RAM, etc., the frequency, and there's other additional details there for you as well. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really hope that you found it useful. If you consider leaving us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.